Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that will host the form. Make sure Forms and Drive are active and under the same account. Next, choose whether you'll use a browser add-on or a custom Google Sheets plus Apps script flow. Each needs specific permissions. Once done, install the add-on or create a blank sheet linked to the form, then open Script Editor and accept OAuth prompts to allow Forms and Drive access. This authorization prevents permission errors later. You now map form questions to your data. First, get each question's entry ID or column header and list them in sheets alongside the exact cell ranges you'll pull from. Then implement the logic. Loop rows, substitute variables into the form template, and either construct prefilled URLs or call the form's API through AppScript. Make sure to add small delays or batching if you process hundreds of rows. This prevents rate limits and keeps your automation stable. You finish by executing a controlled test. Run the autofill for 5 sample rows and confirm each submission appears in the form responses sheet. Once validated, scale up but keep an execution log column to capture errors and retry logic for failed rows. If something breaks, reauthorize AppScript or reinstall the add-on. Permission errors are the most common issue. Finally, make sure date, time, and choice formats match the form's expected format to avoid side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.